Both were inaugurated at the plenary session of the Global Consultative Assembly MPR for the inauguration of the President and Vice President for the tahun 2024 sampai tahun 2029 term of office which was held at the Nusantara Building of the MPR DPR DPD RI Jakarta.
A row of white chairs that have been prepared for Prabowo to head to the State Palace after being inaugurated at the MPR. President Prabowo Subianto as motorcade attracted attention. There was something different about President Prabowo Subianto as convoy as he headed to the Merdeka Palace. Prabowo as convoy was dominated by the color white of the total 8 cars in the motorcade. All were white. Starting from the escort cars in front and behind the presidential car. President Prabowo Subianto as motorcade attracted attention. There was something different about President Prabowo Subianto as convoy as he headed to the Merdeka Palace. Prabowo as convoy was dominated by the color white. Of the total 8 cars in the motorcade, all were white. Starting from the escort cars in front and behind the presidential car. Of course we are touched and proud because our newest vehicle, the MV3 Garuda Limousine, the work of the nation as children, was used in a historic moment and trusted by the President of the Republic of Indonesia, Emir Prabowo Subianto, who has continuously given his trust. He challenged and encouraged the use of domestic products produced by Pindad to continue to advance and improve its quality.